Hello everyone and welcome to This Explainer. Today we are tackling a massive headache for software companies. Look, the year is 2026 and B2B SaaS SEO, it is completely changed. Boss, companies are literally burning lakhs and crores. They are getting thousands of clicks, but their sales? Totally flat, just zero. So why exactly is this happening? Well, let's dive right in and understand the real picture.
Here is our quick roadmap for today. We will cover the big SEO problem, common SaaS SEO mistakes, and the new AI search trends. Then, we will quickly understand programmatic SEO, how to choose the right agency, and finally, my final verdict. Let's get started.
Section 1. The big SEO problem.
So, imagine this. You open your analytics dashboard and see a massive green arrow. Traffic is going up. You feel absolutely great. But then you ask your sales team, guys, where are the sales? And they tell you the pipeline is totally empty. It is so frustrating, right? You are paying for SEO, getting lots of visitors, but nobody is actually booking a product demo.
Let me explain this with a very simple logic. Imagine you open a premium, highly expensive software shop right in the middle of a busy vegetable market. You will get amazing foot traffic, so many people walking past your shop. But will they buy your software? No way. They came to buy potatoes and onions. Traffic is just a vanity metric. The real metrics are demo requests and actual revenue. We have to stop counting visitors and start counting buyers. Moving to Section 2, Common SaaS SEO Mistakes.
Now here is exactly what is wasting your company budget. First, you are targeting keywords with huge search volume but zero buyer intent. Second, you are writing content just to make the Google bot happy, completely ignoring the actual human buyer. Third, ignoring technical SEO. Look, if your page is slow, nobody will wait for it. Fourth, treating every single website page exactly the same. That is a big mistake. And finally, measuring your success by traffic instead of pipeline growth. It's just bad business.
Take a look at this chart right here. See this massive section? That represents your wasted budget. This happens when you rank for general terms like project management tips. Thousands of college students will click it, sure, but they will never buy your enterprise software. The much smaller section, that is actual buyer intent. We really need to stop burning money on useless traffic and focus 100% on the actual buyers.
Next up, Section 3, New AI Search Trends. Because buyer habits have completely changed, you now need to learn AEO. That stands for Answer Engine Optimization. In the old days, people searched on Google and got a list of 10 blue links. But now, they just ask an AI bot like ChatGPT or Perplexity, and it gives one single, direct answer. AEO simply means making sure that when the AI gives an answer, it recommends your product. Very simple, right? And this brings us to GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. You have to connect your brand directly to the brain of these AI platforms. How? By having highly authoritative, clear answers on your website. If you don't do this, when a CEO asks an AI to recommend a software, your product will simply be invisible. You won't even be in the race.
Let's look at Section 4, Programmatic SEO Explained.
Take a look at Zapier's directory here. They have over 2,000 apps. Just imagine making a separate web page by hand for every single app. It would take years. Instead, Zapier takes all this data and neatly organizes it into structured categories. This clever setup is the actual foundation of programmatic SEO.
And here is where the magic happens. Because all that data is structured, the system automatically builds landing pages. For example, a page for Google Sheets plus HubSpot is built completely automatically. They use smart templates to create thousands of highly specific pages without human writers typing them out one by one. So when a buyer searches how to connect Sheets and HubSpot, this page ranks and Zapier gets a new customer. Absolutely brilliant, isn't it?
Section 5, Choosing the Right Agency.
Please never hire a generic local marketing agency to do your SaaS SEO. Specialization is everything. For example, Flowtrix is great for AI search and full website revamps. First Page Sage handles big enterprise AI optimization. If you are a startup needing a strong technical setup, Simple Tiger is perfect. And for pure B2B pipeline strategy, Directive Consulting is top class. Always match the agency to your company's exact stage.
But what if you want to use the latest tech? Let's compare a traditional human agency with a new autonomous AI tool like GrowAs. A human team works in weekly cycles. They need to sleep, and they charge a massive premium fee. But an autonomous AI tool, it gives you AI agents working 24/7. They continuously optimize your site while you sleep and for just a fraction of the cost. In 2026, speed and cost efficiency are the ultimate game changers.
Finally, Section 6, the final verdict.
So, boss, the most crucial point to take away today is this. Focus on pipeline and revenue. Everything else is just a vanity metric. Whether you use traditional SEO, AAO, or programmatic SEO, your ultimate goal is actual sales. Don't just invite window shoppers. You need to get serious buyers. I will leave you with one thought. If your current SEO strategy was a human salesperson, would you promote them or fire them today?
Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. And remember, if you want to read full article, please click on given link below.